Comes a souped up cessna to look like the verbal description plane. Has a black horizontal tail and black tips on the wings, and it has little engines mounted on the wings, but it doesn't have the torpedoes on the tips of the wings. And it's a stunt plane Cessna. Spent 2 years with them, but it's set up to look like the. He's pumping his tail, waving at me like that's right. It's set up to look like the verbal description plane. It's flying straight over my house towards Eldorado Park, down Solero, a slight diagonal towards Geronimo Montier.